Are your students struggling to get high-quality, rigorous analysis out of basic one-sentence AI prompts? Try modeling prompting best practices in class by showing them how to design precise instructions, ensuring Gemini responds as a predictable, custom-tailored academic collaborator. Let's design a specialized research partner to analyze urban socioeconomic divides for an upper-level sociology seminar. We'll write a structured prompt using the PARTS framework, building a persona, an aim, specific recipients, a core theme, and a strict output structure. In Gemini, enter this prompt. Act as a sociology professor specializing in urban inequality. Develop 3 engaging discussion activities analyzing how structural barriers impact social mobility in metropolitan areas. This project is for third-year sociology undergraduate students who are highly analytical. The tone should be objective and academic. Format the response in a clear structure using headings and subheadings. By explicitly defining every element of the PARTS framework, Gemini bypasses generic summaries to output rigorous, multi-step seminar activities perfectly tailored for an advanced undergraduate syllabus. To extend this idea, why not ask Gemini to generate an opposing critique persona to stress test your students' logic and force them to defend their conclusions against strong counterarguments? Watch how Gemini pivots instantly, moving from a supportive creator to a rigorous critic that challenges the logic of the lesson and pushes students to think deeper. Modeling prompting best practices through the PARTS framework helps students shift from using AI for fast answers to collaborating with it as an iterative research partner. Okay, now it's your turn. Head over to gemini.google.com to get started.